My name is Yash Doshi and I'm the CFO of the company. And this is a family business which has been there in this business since 25 years. And we are into manufacturing of lenses. Since 25 years, we have been into this industry. And when I say Lustra, it's the flagship brand of the company, and Lustra offers a wide range of progressives, coatings, and multiple lens options.
Right. So, what key optical products or lens solution are you showcasing at this exhibition?
Okay, so in this exhibition, our hero product would be Photo Fun Fashion, which we launched last year, but we had only 6 colors. So now we have come up with 2 more new colors. And also at the same time, we have also introduced one of the German brand named Optovision for India. So we have the sole marketing and manufacturing rights for India.
That's right. So, how does Lustra Optics and Lens support Indian manufacturing and initiatives like Making in India and Viksit Bharat?
So as an Indian brand, we definitely support Make in India and Viksit Bharat, and we are trying to, and we are trying, and will keep on trying to provide the best quality and the European standards with a very good pricing to the Indian consumers. So that is how we plan to cope up with the competition and the market.
That's right. Now, talking about the highly competitive markets, so please tell us what truly differentiates Lustra Optics and lenses from other brands.
So when yes, the market is competitive definitely, and what truly differentiates Lustra from the market is we continuously strive to give quality products with European standards, and we constantly keep on upgrading our technology to give the best available product in the market to the consumers as an Indian brand.
That's right. What message would you like to share with retailers and visitors, encourage them to connect with your brand and visit your stall?
Uh, to the retailers and the customers, I would just want to say something that uh, you can come to the stall, you can find new products at a very good price, at a very good price, and the quality definitely. And once you come down, you'll get everything available in lenses.
That's right. Now, coming to the last question, are you offering any special giveaways, samples, or exclusive benefits for visitors at this stall?
We right now don't have any samples as giveaways, but definitely once you visit the store, there are many new products and kits available that we have launched it from this exhibition. So that would be available for customers from this exhibition.